This QLCP tutorial is about how to connect to the QLCP when using the QLCP Developer Tool. Using the QLCP Developer Tool while connected to the QLCP, you can view configuration settings. You can upload and download configuration files, upload and download graphical control panels, and you can update QLCP software. All of these features are covered in separate tutorials. To connect to the QLCP using the Developer Tool, you will need a PC with the QLCP Developer Tool installed and an Ethernet cable. Connect the Ethernet cable to your PC's Ethernet port and to the QLCP's Ethernet port. Now, you need to know the IP address of your QLCP. If you do not know the IP address, you can access the QLCP configuration menu using the System Configuration USB port to view the network settings. In this tutorial, our QLCP has the default IP address 192.168.0.100. For the PC to be able to communicate with the QLCP, it must have an IP address in the same subnet. For example, we can use 192.168.0.200 for the PC's IP address. To configure your PC's IP address, right-click on the network icon in the Notifications area of the Windows taskbar and select Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your network adapter icon and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on the Properties button. Select Use the following IP address and then enter the IP address you want to use for your PC. In this case, we will use 192.168.0.200. Enter the subnet mask and click OK. Then click Close. To verify that we can communicate with the QLCP, let's ping it. We get a reply, so we should be good to go. If you don't get a reply, check your cable connections. Make sure your QLCP address is what you think it should be, and that you have configured the PC's address accordingly. Now we need to open the Developer Tool. You must run this tool as administrator. One way to ensure this is to configure the shortcut icon to run as administrator. Right-click on the desktop shortcut icon and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, click on the Advanced button. Click on Run as Administrator and then click OK. Then click OK again. And finally, click Continue to complete the operation if prompted. Now we will double-click on the desktop shortcut to run the Developer Tool. Enter the IP address for the QLCP. In this example, it is 192.168.0.100. Next, enter the password. The default password is password. Click on the Connect button. If you see a green check mark for QLCP connection status, you have successfully connected to the QLCP.